What's up guys, David Rishka here with the Success Keeper, and I am here every single day recording brand new videos for you to motivate you, inspire you, and to help you start a new journey to success. And in today's video I want to talk about taking control of your life. Now I remember when I was working full-time jobs that were okay. I was living paycheck to paycheck. I had to deal with a bunch of BS at work, listen to and follow a bunch of rules and policies that I didn't always agree with. And I got sick and tired of working for other people, making other people rich, and having them control my life, telling me how much money I'm gonna make, when am I gonna work, when can I take vacation, how much time I can take away from work. And I just got sick and tired of it, so I started looking for opportunities. And I watched this video on YouTube one day, and I came across a wonderful opportunity, and I decided with my whole heart that I need to do this. I need to start working on myself and growing as a person, educating myself, and opening my own online business, okay, generating money online. What I like the most about online businesses is that you can work from anywhere in the world. You can work as long as you want to, as long as you have internet connection and some kind of laptop or cell phone. But it took me actually a couple of years before I started seeing success, because I was thinking small. I didn't really know how much money I could make with it, and I had no results. So I was thinking, like, if I can just make maybe 50 bucks, 100 bucks a day, would be fantastic. But when you have to realize that when you think small, you're gonna have very small results also. T. Harv Eker says in his book The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind that if you shoot for the stars, you will at least hit the moon. Okay, so think big and decide what you want in life. Decide what your dream life would look like if you woke up every morning. For me, I have a daily method of operation. You can see it behind me. When I wake up, I like to meditate, then read, uh, get some inspiration going, educating myself. Then I create content, such as video or maybe Instagram or on Facebook, and post it. And then I go ahead and write. I go and write emails to my email list. I watch educational videos, and I have Audible account, so I listen to audiobooks on daily basis. It's extremely important that you educate yourself, because when you grow as a person, you can help other people also to grow. And then also I exercise on daily basis. You have a healthy lifestyle, you will have more energy, and people can feel it when they are in your presence also, okay? So these are the things that I follow on daily basis, but I want to talk about the opportunity. If you were trying to start a business online about 10 years ago, it was extremely difficult. There wasn't as many people making money online 10 years ago, but nowadays some people say that the market is saturated and there is like way too many people doing the same thing. But I'm here to tell you that this is the best time to start. There is so many great opportunities out there online where they have the whole system set up for you. You just have to follow the system, join a company like I did. I am with the Legendary Marketer right now. Fantastic company. They have a lot of educational videos, they have coaches, and they have support that will help you with any obstacles. If you feel stuck, you can reach out to your coach or other entrepreneurs on Facebook groups and via other social medias. The opportunity now is better and easier than before, okay? If you are on social media already spending time posting some stuff, you already know how to do it. You know how to use Facebook, you know how to use Instagram or YouTube. So you are almost doing the same thing, except for you are creating content for people and educating them on something, helping them, and you create followers base for your company. Okay, so think big and take control of your life right now. Sit down and decide what it is that you want from life. How would your dream life look like? And I'm not here to bullshit you. You will have to put some time and effort into it. When I first started, I came home from work and I had to spend at least 2 or 3 hours on my business to create content and read, and learn how to do different things online. So you will have to hustle, put some time and effort into it. You will have to most likely spend some money on advertising. Also, there is free methods of advertising also, but they take way longer than if you pay for advertising. And also buying educational courses. I bought like different types of courses on how to market on Instagram, Facebook, or Google AdWords. So it's important to take one step forward every single day, and take charge of your life. Don't have other people or other companies dictating where you're going and how much money you're gonna make. I want you to sit down and decide what is your why. Why would you wanna take responsibility of your life? Why is it? Is it for your family? Is it because you wanna make more money, or is it because you wanna live the freedom lifestyle, do whatever you want, whenever you want? So decide why would you wanna do that. Okay. Another thing that I wanna mention is a lot of people, they start their own online business. They get excited in the beginning, and they get everything set up, and they get their affiliates link. They spam everybody on the internet. They send it to their friends and family members and all over the internet, and they don't see any results within a few weeks or a couple months. So they quit because they don't see any results. But that's the wrong way of approaching it. You have to create some value for people, and then they will start following you, and they will be asking, what is it that you are doing? You become attractive to way of your life, the way you live, and they will start asking questions. What do you do? How do you do it? And that's how you get the customers. It's kind of when the new people, when they get their affiliates link, they, like I said, they spam it all over the internet. It's the same like if you were approaching strangers or even family members with some products that you are trying to pitch them, that you are trying to sell them. And most people will tell you, no, I don't need it, I don't want it. You are just trying to sell me something, and you want to make money off of me. So that approach doesn't work. You have to work on yourself, create content, create some value for people, and they will start following you, they will start liking you, and start buying products or whatever it is that you are offering to them. Okay. I want to ask you another question. Are you willing to sacrifice some things, like time away from your friends, some time away from your family? Are you willing to sacrifice some of your income to grow your business? These are important questions that you need to ask yourself, because if you are not willing to put in the hard work and spend more time, or invest your time and money and effort into the business, then there is no reason for you to start. Okay, there is no free rides. We are not here to sell some magic buttons. If you see anything like that on the internet, somebody tells you just click a button and you're gonna start making money, that's bullshit. Okay, so there is always some type of work and effort that you have to put into it. There is no magic bullet or no magic button. So take charge of your life. Make the decision today that you want to change your life. Maybe you are sick and tired of your boss or your job. You just cannot do it anymore. You feel stressed or depressed on the way to work. Maybe it's your personal issues where you need to start making more money. Take charge of your life today. I'm gonna leave a link below this video with my number one recommendation to start online business. Okay, and I wish you all the best to success and freedom. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video or contact me directly, and I will see you tomorrow with my brand new video for you guys. Okay, so take charge of your life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the link, click the button below this video, the subscribe button, and take your first step today towards success. Like they said, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time to plant a tree is today. Okay, so make your decision today and start on a new journey to success and freedom. Thank you for watching. This is David Rishka with the Success Keeper, and I will speak with you soon. Take care for now.